And you use 2 pounds of diced jerky, 5 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 pounds of ground beef, 4 tablespoons salt, 2 tablespoons paprika, a half cup of diced onions, a half cup of oil, 1 can tomato sauce, 1 quart of water, 3 tablespoons diced garlic, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and that's just for thickening the broth a little bit, and 2 tablespoons black pepper. And the directions are that you want to place the oil in a skillet and add your ground beef, your diced jerky, the onion, the garlic, the salt, and the pepper. Saute these ingredients until browned, and then you transfer it to a large pot. You add the water, chili powder, paprika, and tomato sauce. You simmer that for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Then you mix the cornstarch with about 1/4 cup of water and stir this into the mixture to thicken it. And serve it with crackers or flour tortillas.